He clearly worked for hours.
I joined Match because
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm just tired of the bar scene.
it's hard to meet someone when you're always working.
I want to try something new.
Did you know that people who join Match are 3 times more likely to find a relationship than people who don't? Match.com. Start for free today.
Wave. Try the mutant.
Singing with an iconic performer, why not get ready in an
Make it rain.
Meh. Baka. Yummy? Kami?
What's good,
Yeah?
everybody? How you doing today? You're probably busy, but I got something to say. Easily and we got no worries at all. That better plans are like a carnival. So check the temperature and play it small. The weather guys are ready to
Ah.
you with the performance of their greatest hits. But now, performing on the
Hmm.
Toby.com, giving us the top 10 of the year.
Ka?